Okay, welcome back to this session, students. Here in this session, we are going to study and discuss your applications of what we have learned about rational number and irrational number based on the decimal expansion and based on how we have defined the square root of non-perfect square, cube root of non-perfect cube. So based on this, you need to follow this exercise 9M 1.2 level 1 question number 1. If you are having module with you hard copy, just with pencil you can tick in module only, right? But first pay attention over here. Now Raghav is asking, sir, is 3.14 is terminating number? Yes, Raghav, 3.14 is terminating number. So since it is terminating, this is your rational number, yes or no? Okay.
In the last the last one you wrote it in recurring in example.
So it is my mistake. Let me see. Oh, my mistake. Yes. Thank you, Raghav. Correct it, everyone. 3.14 will be here. It is terminating decimal expansion. Okay, Jalin, Pratika, Gauss. Can we proceed, everyone? Shivansh, Sushant,
Yes,
Deepa?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great,
Yes, sir.
great. Yes, Apurva. OneNote link I'll update in Google Classroom, and OneNote link you can access from all the recordings, Apurva. जो भी मैं रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड कर रहा हूँ ना यूट्यूब पे, उसके नीचे सारी वन नोट लिंक है. ओके, सारे क्लास की, तो वहां से आप क्लास 9 की लिंक को एक्सेस कर सकते हो. इज दिस क्लियर? राइट. मेन वाइल आई विल अपलोड इन गूगल क्लासरूम एज वेल. चलो, सबका ध्यान इधर. चलो, नंबर 3 बोलो. नेचुरल नंबर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इज इट होल नंबर?
Yes, sir.
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 No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one by one I'll ask each one of you. Shreya, can you tell me about 1.6? Only Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shreya, only you. 1.6. Just unmute yourself once, Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
It's not a natural number.
Okay,
It's not a whole number.
okay,
It's not an integer.
okay.
It's a rational number.
Huh.
It's not a irrational number.
Huh.
It's a real number.
Very good. Nikila, next. -2. Nikila. I'll give chance to each one of you. Nikila, are you there? Nikila? Pratika. You tell me, Pratika.
Sir.
Tell me about -2. This row.
Sir, it is not a natural number,
Okay.
and it is not a whole number.
Huh.
It's an integer.
Okay.
It is a rational number.
Okay.
It is not a irrational number,
Okay.
and it is a real number.
Okay. Everyone agree with Pratika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Varsha BG.
Yes, sir.
Varsha BG, about 200.
It's a natural number.
Okay.
It's a whole number.
Okay.
It's an integer.
Okay.
It's a rational number.
Huh. Then irrational. Irrational. No, it is not irrational number, correct? And real number. Okay. Sanketi next. Pi.
So it's not a whole number.
Okay. What about natural?
It's not a natural number. It's not an integer. It's not a rational number. It's an irrational number. And it's a real number.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
It is real number. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree with Sanketi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. -5 by √4. Mohil Ram.
Yes, sir.
Can you reply this, Mohil?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Is it natural number?
No, sir.
Is it whole number?
No, sir.
Is it integer?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then is it rational number?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, it is in P by Q form.
Okay. But what is the condition for P by Q form? P should be integer, Q should be integer. Here both are integer.
Yes, sir.
How? The root 4 is integer.
Sir,
Yes.
it is an integer, sir.
Huh? See, can I simplify this root 4 and can I write root 4 is nothing but 2 minus sign as it is 5 as
Sir,
it is.
it is an integer.
Yes, so it is your integer. So definitely it is a rational number. Next, is it irrational number?
No, sir.
Okay. Is it real number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sanvi, next, 10 by 19.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, 5 by minus 5 by 2 is a integer, sir.
No, 5 is integer and 2 is integer. Are you getting my point? For integer, what you are having? In integer, it cannot be your P by Q form. It cannot be your rational form. Yes or no? For integer, it can be only 5, 3, 4, like that. Are you getting my point? Or minus 5, minus 3, minus 4. Here, it is like this.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sub 1. Right? Now, okay, 10 by 19. Sanvi, over to you, quickly.
No, sir.
Okay, no means what? Not natural number.
Not natural number, sir.
And whole number,
Not whole number, sir.
integer,
No, sir.
rational number,
Yes, sir.
irrational number,
No, sir.
real number.
Yes, sir.
Ragvi, 0. Or
It
Ragvi, so tell me about 0.49. Square root 0.49.
sir,
This number, square root 0.49.
it is not a natural number, not a whole number, not an integer. It is a rational number.
How rational number?
0.49 can be written as 0.7.
Okay.
Root.
Exactly, it is 14, square root of 49 by 100. So square root of 49 will be 7, square root of 100 will be 10. So it is 0.7. Very good. Next,
And it is not an irrational number, but it is a real number.
very good. Okay. Then Rohit, can you tell me about 0, Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Not a rational number. It is a whole number. It is an integer. It is a rational number. It is not an irrational number, and it is a real number.
Very good. Now, Nishka, can you tell me about 5 by root 2, Nishka?
Yes, sir. So it's not a natural number. It's not a whole number. It's not an integer. It's not a rational number. So it's a irrational number. So it's a real number.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, Shivansh, no problem. Next time. Others is telling sir 10 by 19 is irrational. No others. जो भी P by Q form है, whatever it is P by Q form, that is your rational number only. आपने शायद उसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन ट्राई किया होगा, राइट? आदर्श 10 by 19 एंड डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन से आप बोल रहे होंगे, बट उसका डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन में ना 18 डिजिट की पैर रिपीट होगी, राइट? इतना लंबा हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो पहले बेसिक डेफिनेशन, अगर P by Q फॉर्म है रेशनल नंबर, P by Q फॉर्म नहीं है इरेशनल नंबर. आप उसमें कैलकुलेटर में या साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर में या गूगल पे सर्च करो 10 by 19, तो वहां पे जो आपको मिलेगा 18 डिजिट्स की पैर रिपीट होगी. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? आदर्श, आर यू देयर? ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट इरेशनल. चलो इसे फटाफट कंप्लीट कर दो एवरीवन.
So we should make a chart.
नो, आपके मॉड्यूल में कर दो ना. यू आर हैविंग मॉड्यूल, राइट? तो वहां पे पेंसिल से कर दो, दैट विल बी बेस्ट.
Okay, sir.
Module only. Save time, do smart work.
Done, sir.
Okay. Shall we start now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us see next question. सबने कर दिया ना चार्ट सबका फिनिश? Tanishka, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see this question number 2 on screen, everyone? Can you see this question number 2? Sanketi, Raghavi, Sushant,
Yes,
sir.
Deepa, Pranjan,
Yes,
Apurva,
sir.
Tanvi.
sir.
Okay. Now jaldi sabka jane. Okay, see. In the following equation state whether variables x, y, z represent rational or irrational number. Here you need to identify and you need to tell that whether they are rational or irrational, right? Okay, we'll see one by one. First, x square is equal to 5. Then what about x? Who will tell me this first one? Inchara, can you tell me this, Inchara? Inchara, are you there? Tanishka, can you tell me this? Response देना पड़ेगा. गौस, आप बताओ.
Sir, x is equal to root 5, sir.
Yes, x is equal to root 5. मुहिल राम, मुहिल देखो ये स्क्वायर उधर जाएगा तो स्क्वायर रूट होगा, नॉट डिवाइड बाई 2. चलो रूट 5 होगा फिर.
Sir, x is equal to not a rational number.
Yes, so it is not, so it is your irrational number. Okay, y square equal to 9. Rohan.
Sir, y will be equal to square root of 9, which is 3, so it is a rational number.
Very good. बोलो वर्षा, z square equal to 0.04. वर्षा पाटिल.
Sir, z is equal to square root of 0.04.
Okay,
So z is equal to 0.2.
okay. 4 by 100, so it will be 2 by 10, so 0.2. Okay,
It is a rational number.
therefore z is rational number. See, for new students, this is my z. I'll write z like this and 2 right like this, so that you can differentiate between z and 2. Is this clear, everyone? All students already know. Pratika, I will write z like this. Rohit, is this clear? Raghavi? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down this quickly so that we can see next questions.
Done, sir.
Can you see this 4, 5, 6, u square equal to 17 by 4, v square equal to 3, w square equal to 27. Okay. Now let us see this fourth, fifth, and sixth question one by one. First, fourth. Okay, Samar, tell me this.
Sir, u square equals to 17 by 4. U equals to square root of 17 by 4, which is an irrational number.
Okay. So it will be square root 17 by 4. We can write square root of 4 as 2.
Root 17 by 2, sir.
Yes, but root 17 will be as it is. So therefore, u is irrational number. It is in the form p by q, but p is not integer here. Can you see this, everyone? Don't write now, first understand. Okay, Amrit, can you tell me about v square equal to root 3?
Yes, sir.
V square
Sir,
equal-
v is equals to square root of 3.
Then,
Sir, square root of 3 is an irrational number.
yes, v is irrational number. Okay, then I want to give chance to each and everyone. अभी जिस लोगों का चांस नहीं आया, just raise your hand. जिनको अभी चांस नहीं मिला है. Tanishka, can you tell me this? W square equal to 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
W is equal to square root 27.
Okay. Then
W is equal to 9.
9.
Square root
का
9.
square root 9 होता है, sure.
Mm,
What is the square of 9? 9 into 9, 81.
81.
तो 9 का स्क्वायर तो 81 होता है ना, आया ना?
हाँ सर.
तो 81 का स्क्वायर रूट 9 होगा ना, तो 21 का स्क्वायर रूट वो पॉसिबल है?
No sir, it is an irrational number.
हाँ, yes, so W is irrational number. Very good. चलो ये 4th, 5th and 6th नोट डाउन कर दो. Yes, Shivansh, definitely. Then we will see your last 7th question. And we will see question number 3, level 2. Yes, Tejas.
Done, sir.
Done, everyone? Can I
Yes,
show
sir.
it next?
Yeah, done sir.
Okay. Okay. Can you see the 7th question, which is t square equal to 0.4? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who will try this? Shivansh.
Sir, t is equals to root 0.4,
Okay.
which is irrational because there should be even number of decimal places.
Yes. Or you can write like this: 4 by 10, square root 4 by square root 10, square root 4 will be 2, 2 by root 10. So it is in the form of p by q, but q is not your integer. So that's why this is not your rational number. Therefore, t is a rational number. Understood this, everyone? Please give me some response. Pratika,
Yes sir.
understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो जल्दी जल्दी नोट डाउन कर दो, फिर दूसरे टाइप के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं.
सर t रूट 0.2 नहीं होगा क्या?
क्या e?
का रूट 0.2 नहीं होगा क्या?
नहीं, क्यों? 0.2 कब होगा? समझना, जब डिनोमिनेटर में आपके पास 100 हो. समझना है फिर, क्योंकि 100 का स्क्वायर रूट 10 होगा ना. यहाँ पे 2 बाई रूट 10 है. जब 2 बाई 10 होता है तो उससे आप 0.2 लिख सकते हो. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? दिस इज 2 बाई रूट 10. गॉट इट? श्योर?
यस सर.
हाँ. हाँ, यस वरुण. वेट. Now one more thing, एक और चीज लास्ट क्लास में मैंने आपको समझाई थी स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपको याद होगा, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्क्वायर रूट एंड एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4। समझना, जब एक्स स्क्वायर आपका 4 होता है, स्क्वायर उधर जाएगा क्या होगा, इट विल बी प्लस और माइनस और नॉट। प्लीज गिव मी सम रिस्पॉन्स। व्हेन एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4, स्क्वायर विल गो टू दैट साइड, इट विल बी योर प्लस और माइनस और नॉट। जल्दी 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 जल्दी, प्लस और माइनस √4 कुछ तो बोलो, याद है ये? हाँ या नो? ओके,
Yes, sir.
अब
Yes,
समझ
sir.
तो सेम कंसेप्ट इधर भी अप्लाई होगा। When this square will go to that side, it will be plus or minus or not? Please give me some response, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So it should be exactly plus or minus √5. सब plus or minus add करो इसमें, जो भी आपने लिखा है, plus or minus 3. Same here, plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. जैसे ये देखो, ये 0.04 है, तो इधर ही आपका 0.2 हो रहा है, right? This is also plus or minus. नहीं शिवांश, वही तो मैंने समझा था, जब स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर आएगा तो पॉजिटिव होगा। Square root 4 is 2, but when x square equal to 4, at that time x will become plus or minus square root 4. So it will become plus or minus 2. Okay. Chalo, is this clear everyone? Can we move to question number 3 now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 4 बाद में, पहले question number 3. चलो, give an example of two irrational numbers whose difference is rational number, sum is rational number, product is irrational number, quotient is an irrational number. अभी आपका बहुत ही अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चन है, राइट? समझना, ये हर बार जब भी हम एग्जाम लेते हैं तो एक क्वेश्चन तो इसका होता ही होता है। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, समझना। सॉल्यूशन, फर्स्ट पार्ट, डिफरेंस रैशनल नंबर। ऐसे दो इरेशनल नंबर के आपको मुझे एग्जांपल देने हैं कि जिसका डिफरेंस रैशनल नंबर है। क्या आप सोच सकते हो? प्लीज गिव मी सम रिस्पांस, एनीवन? यस श्रीषा? राघवी?
√2 minus √2.
Okay, so Raghavi is telling one number is √2 and other number is minus √2, correct? That only, na? So that difference will be
Yes,
what?
sir.
That difference will be √2 minus √2. So that difference will be √2
No.
plus √2. So that difference will be 2√2. Clear? Which is not rational number, it is irrational only.
Sir, can we subtract pi from pi and we will get 0 as a rational number?
Yes. So I think Raghavi was also telling the same कि दोनों नंबर को √2 ले लेते हैं, right Raghavi? Right? And same √5 के बारे में बात कर रहे थे वरुण। दोनों नंबर आप सेम ले सकते हो, बट आप अलग भी तो ले सकते हो। समझो, मान लो अगर दोनों नंबर आप √2 ले रहे हो, right? If you are taking √5, if you are taking pi, so in all these cases the difference will be 0. Here √2 minus √2 0, √5 minus √5 0, pi minus pi 0. Is this clear everyone? Yes or no? But better to take different numbers. अलग नंबर लेके अब आपको उसका सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है। Can anyone try the different numbers? सोचो, थोड़ा बस सोचना है। See, I am suggesting you. Suppose I am
6
taking,
minus,
हाँ,
sir,
root
√6 minus √2.
√6 minus,
√2.
तो वो तो कुछ नहीं होगा, वो ऐसा ही रहेगा। √6 minus √2 √4 नहीं होगा। It is not √4. Is this clear? ये किसका आइडिया था? √6 minus √2 is not equal to √4. Is this clear? Okay. चलो समझो। अब मैं आपको थोड़ी हेल्प करता हूँ। तो ये भी राइट है, बट बेटर वी विल टेक लाइक दिस। कैन आई टेक 3 plus √2 and 1 plus √2? One number is 3 plus √2, another number is 1 plus √2. Can I take like this? Shrisha, Adarsh, yes or no? श्रेया, सांकेती, प्रतीका, सलिन, राघवी, क्या मैं ऐसा ले सकता हूँ? अब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड करो। When you will find their difference, subtraction, ये पता है ना subtraction everyone, माइनस माइनस, subtraction पता है? नहीं, इस तरीके से मेथड, ओके। So root 2 minus root 2, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. A minus B will be 2. Okay. So here A is irrational number, B is irrational number, but A minus B is rational number. Isn't it, everyone? Please give me some response. कुछ तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Same
Sir,
thing,
can
3
you
plus root 5 ले सकते हो, 1 plus root 5 ले सकते हो, 3 plus pi ले सकते हो, 1 plus pi ले सकते हो. Okay. Yes, Adarsh, you want to tell anything? You want to ask anything?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
एक मिनट सांकेतिक. पेट दर्द कर रहा है मेरा बोलते बोलते, ऐसा लग रहा है. रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, समझो इधर. We need to give example of two irrational numbers such that their difference will be rational number. You students have given me response like, sir, we will take both the same irrational numbers, root 2, root 5, pi, such that root 2 minus root 2 will be 0, root 5 minus root 5 will be 0, pi minus pi will be 0, correct? Now I told you to take different numbers. So can we pick, suppose in this root 2 I am adding 3, in this root 2 I am adding 1. So one number will be 3 plus root 2, another number will be 1 plus root 2. Right? One number I have written as A, another number I have written as B. Now I have to subtract B from A minus B. A minus B you can do by two ways. Either you can do it vertically or you can do it horizontally. Okay. So here, suppose I am doing vertically. Do you know this vertical method, everyone? If you don't know, I can show you horizontally. You know now, everyone. Now, so root 2 minus root 2 will become 0. 3 minus 1 will become 2. So A minus B is the rational number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Pratika, Rohit, Amrit. Clear now, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now use your brain and tell me for second question. When sum is rational number, right? Yes, very good, Samarth. Sum आपका rational number हो. So Samarth is telling, sir, 6 plus root 5 and minus 5 plus root 5. But wait, Samarth, अगर मैं इसका sum करूँगा, so this is A, this is B. A plus B will be 6 minus 5, 1 plus 2 root 5. इधर sum तो irrational ही आ रहा है. कुछ और सोच सकते हो?
Sir, we can take minus root 5 in second.
Very good.
Sir, we can.
Minus root 5. So root 5 minus root 5 will become 0. So here
Sir, we can take root 2 also.
root 2. Yes, you can take root 2, you can take pi, you can take root 3, anything. Yes, but the same number in A, if it is plus, in B, it should be minus. Okay, these both are irrational and their sum is rational. Now third, product is an irrational number. Your product should be irrational number. Yes, but both Amrit is telling, sir, here we can take root 2 and 2. But Amrit, what they are telling that both are irrational number. You have to give example of two irrational number. Two irrational numbers such that their product will be rational. Okay, product will be irrational. Yes, Varsha is telling root 2 and root 3. Root 2 and root 3. So here A into B will be what? Root 2 into root 3, which is nothing but your root 16 or root 5. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me here one extra if I am asking? Can you tell me one extra question I am giving? One example of two irrational number such that their product will be rational number. Example of two irrational numbers such that their product will be rational number. Come on, think.
Sir, root 3 into root 3.
Yes. So one option Shivansh is telling root 3 into root 3. Both are same. So it will be root 3 into root 3. That is root 3 whole square. That is 3 only. Samarth is also telling same. Varun is also telling same. Now
Root 5 into root 5.
what if I tell you, you have to give me different example. right? Means both numbers should be different. So Varsha BG has written 3 root 2 and 4 root 2. So here A into B will be 3 root 2 into 4 root 2. 4 3s are 12 into 2, 24. Clear everyone? Don't try it now. I'll give you time. Please give me some response. Is this clear everyone? Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, another thing also you can write here that will be little bit tricky. A equal to root 2, B equal to root 8. A into B is equal to root 2 into root 8, root 16, which is 4. Clear everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you time to write, don't worry. Now, quotient is an irrational number. Quotient means you are dividing. Now, give me example of two irrational numbers such that their quotient is irrational number. Yes, Pratika, just think na. Yes, Ragvi. Anyone, just you have to divide and quotient should be irrational number. Yes. Varsha is telling root 3 and root 2. Yes, Varsha.
Sir, root 3 by root.
Right. Then Varun is telling 2 root 10, 2 root 2. वो भी चलेगा. It will be root 5. Then Tejas is telling root 5 by root 6. वो भी चलेगा. What if I'll give you one extra question here? That give me example of two irrational numbers such that their quotient will be rational. Quotient rational होना चाहिए.
Sir, root 50 by root 2.
Yes, root.
Root 50 by
Okay.
root 2.
Root 50 by root 2. So here if I'll do A by B, this will be a root 50 by 2, root 25, that is 5. Yes, perfect. Is this clear everyone? Right?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Right. Or you can take A equal
Root
to
2 by root 2 also.
B equal to 4 root 2, anything. So A by B is equal to 3 root 2 by 4 root 2, which is nothing but your 3 by 4. Yes, Rohit is telling root 8 by root 2. Right? Anything you can take or not now, everyone. Please give me some response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am giving you time to note down, okay, one by one. First note down these things, first, second, and third.
Sir, in third main, it should be root 6, right?
In third one, root 6, wait. Yes. वरुण, इसका काउट अलग से नहीं है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में वो पढ़ के फिर साथ में सबका काउट करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक्सरसाइज खत्म करके उसका काउट साथ में करेंगे. डू इट क्विक एवरीवन. तो मैं आपको इसका होमवर्क दे दूं, राइट, एंड देन वी कैन सेलिब्रेट बर्थडे ऑफ बर्थडे बॉयज. Do it quick. Yes, note down this now. Okay. See here, students, this will be your homework for today's class. In formula book, you have to write one more time chart, right? चार्ट आज आपने बनाया ना क्लास में स्टूडेंट्स, वो आपको घर से वापस बनाना है एक बार. इज दिस क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
रेगुलर बुक में इन क्लास एक्सरसाइज में आपको एक पजल क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. जस्ट फिनिश दैट पजल क्वेश्चन. पजल क्वेश्चन आपका चार्ट पे ही बेस है. ये चार्ट बनाओगे तो पजल क्वेश्चन अपने आप बन जाएगा. इज दिस क्लियर श्रेया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now homework exercise level 1 question 1 to 4. Homework exercise level 1 question 1 to 4. Okay. पेज नंबर देखो आपके मॉड्यूल में कौन सा है?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, पेज नंबर 5 आई गेस. चेक. इट विल बी पेज नंबर 5. तो इतना कर देना अच्छे से एवरीवन. नाउ सी हियर.